What if the solution to your housing needs, or even your financial goals, was already waiting in your backyard? At Florida Made Tiny Homes, we specialize in building backyard accessory dwelling units, also known as ADUs, crafted to fit the Florida lifestyle. Whether it's a comfortable space for family, a welcoming guest retreat, or a rental that pays for itself, we help you turn unused yard space into opportunity. Every ADU we build is made in Florida, using local materials, designed to thrive in harsh climates, and built on site to meet Florida's strict building codes. With our Florida-made ADU system, we take care of it all: design, permitting, and construction. The result? A stress-free process and a space that's ready when you need it. Focused on serving Florida communities, we help homeowners create more space, more income, and more peace of mind. Don't wait another day. Schedule your free property analysis or take a tour of our showroom today at FloridaMadeTinyHomes.com and start imagining what's possible in your backyard.